Welcome to this video. Today, we're going to learn how you can easily manage notifications on the IMO app. Many people receive too many alerts from chats, calls, and groups. Controlling these notifications helps you stay focused and only get the alerts you really need. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. After that, look for the Notifications section and tap on it. Here you will find different categories, such as calls, friends messages, group messages, and others. Finally, tap on any category you want to disable. Choose the option to turn off notifications. You can repeat the same process for any other category you wish to manage. By following these steps, you can control how and when IMO sends you alerts, making your experience with the app much smoother and less distracting. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.